take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if you kill.
Hi! Aalis kami. Pupunta kami ng East Coast. Nagbablog lang naman ako pag aalis kami. Kasi wala naman kaming ginagawa sa bahay. Si Matt nagtatrabaho. Tapos si Zach, naglalaro lang ako. Nagluluto, nagbabantay. Kaya ngayon, pupunta kami ng East Coast para magpa-crack ng back. Magpa-align ng spine. Is it?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Spine alignment crack. Chiropractor. Kasi sobrang bigat ni Zach. Nasa katalikod namin. Kaya kami ay pupunta doon. Itsura ni Zach, bagong gising. So, see ya. Maghihintay lang kami ng bus. Tas, yun na. From here, dalawang bus stop. Dalawang bus yung sasakay namin. Hindi pala dalawang bus stop. Dalawang bus yung sasakay namin. Bye. 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 Lahat ng nasa bus nagbababay siya.
Hi everyone.
You say bye to everyone.
Yeah, everyone's lucky today. Got the Zaki bonus goodbye.
He's in a good mood today. He wake up smiling. He only cried because I made him cry.
Lucky to. We should.
Dito na kami sa East Coast. Ganito lang dito. Mga prutas, mga gulay-gulay. Mas marami ang prutas kaysa sa mga gulay.
The bird, Baba.
Bird! Masyado pa kaming maaga. Yung appointment namin is 4? No, 5. What
What are the
time?
mangoes worth?
What time is our appointment?
5.15.
5:15. How much? Ang ganda ng mangga. 1 for 150.
And grapes. Grapes are cheaper than things. Not much cheaper.
They're not sweet yet. Maybe the smell is a bit sweet. Prutas. Tapos yun yung hawker nila. Or kainan. Ito kami sa Korean shop. Bibili akong noodles. Ayan si Zach. Marami rin silang kung ano-ano.
I'm gonna get 1 can of Korean beer. I don't think I've had
Korean beer?
before.
You wanna try Korean beer?
Yeah, I haven't had it before. I don't know what's what, but it's one of
You can try. Maybe it's nice.
one Asian country I haven't had beer from yet.
Because you haven't been there. Have you been in Korea?
Yes, but not for long.
Really? Been in Korea?
Yes, but not for long.
How long?
An hour.
You just went there to do what? What did you do there for 1 hour?
I was doing a flight order, and I had an hour at the airport in between turnarounds.
Nag-stop over lang sila doon. Kaya hindi nagtagal. Gusto ko sana to. Yung maliit lang. Walang maliit. Hindi wala. Pero, kukuha ko nito 2. Tapos, kukuha din ako ng jampong. Ujing o jampong. Ito ujing o jampong tawag dito. Ito natatandaan ko lang. Parang masarap din itong isa. Kunin ko na din ito. Wala ako. Sino ba yung 2? Kailangan ko ng basket. I need basket.
Down there, all the same price.
I don't know which one.
No idea. I don't know what's that. No, exactly.
Can you grab it and put it here?
We try that one and
This one is from Jeju. White ale.
They all last time. That's okay. That whole thing's in Jeju.
Ah, okay. I want to try the black one.
Okay, let's try the black one. Okay, that's good. Let's have the black one. I have no idea. What's the alcohol in
It's
that?
probably nice.
No, look, it's around 5%. You can do that
Okay.
taste like.
So ako'y kukuha ng...
No.
Huh?
Yes.
I'm gonna get some noodles. And the other one is Soul Light. This one is Gold Star.
Okay, just look at the alcohol.
5.1.
Alcohol content, love.
5.1.
No, that's 4.85.
This one is 4.85.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
This one is
5.1.
5.1.
Yep. That's fine. It's just normal strength beer. It's okay. Go and grab your noodles, love. The beer will be a
Want
lucky
some
dip.
as well?
What's that?
Want some? I'll get one for you.
Not really.
This is nice.
Okay.
No? If you don't like, it's
I
okay.
don't really eat them like there's all those noodles at home that I don't eat.
No, this one's nice. I'm looking for a small one, but there's none. Hi!
Hi.
Would you like some snack, Baba?
There's more behind you if you want it, love.
Sorry?
There's more shrimp behind you if you want.
I only want two.
Okay.
I get sick of them afterwards.
I can tell. That's why there's so many at home.
No, I've been eating them like packets of packets.
Ah,
Come on, Daddy.
buckets and buckets.
Let's see the snacks.
Okay, Monster.
What do you want, monkey?
There are snacks too. There are snacks too, Bubba.
Do you want some snacks? No snacks for Daisy. Ang ingay ng ambulansya. Ito kami sa parkway. Nagutom lang kami. Bibili lang kami ng something on the stick. Yan. What do you want, Daddy? I know. Yun yung kanila. Gutom na kami. Kailangan lang namin ng freaky food. Kasi malapit na yung oras na sked namin. Ha, you?
Just that whole
4:47. Which one?
The I can't remember what's crab. It's fake. It just tastes like seafood.
Give me money, please. I don't know what it is.
Just look on the calendar. I mean,
Just one of this.
Ano dahil? Crab roll. Ito
You want crab or prawn?
crab.
Crab daw po.
Okay.
Saka po, ano po ito? Balls na to?
Ito green bean. Ito yan.
Hindi mo yung po naka-stick?
Ito? Lobster ball. Cheese lobster ball.
Isa nga po nun. That's all, darling.
I think so, like. Yeah.
Ay, lang daw po. Thank you.
Okay na lang?
Opo.
380.
Crazy na. Ay, huwag niya po kakainin po na. Salamat.
Wala nga naman.
Uy,
Sige po dahil.
ay, hindi na po. Huwag na po. Salamat.
Okay.
Here. Come, darling. So, ayan lang. Crab, tsaka lobster ball.
Over here and eat them.
Look. Zaki, this looks like the...
The other one in town, it is.
Yeah. The one in town.
Yeah, very similar.
Kakainin muna namin to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
come over. Isn't it free, love? Honey?
Free?
Isn't it free?
Oh, 3. I thought 2. Well, I can press it again.
It's not.
Papunta na kami doon sa chiropractor. Ito si Zach. Tapos ito.
Me first?
Yeah. Open. True chiropractor. Hi. Hello. How are you? Hi, big boy now.
Do you have any?
So you're kind of already.
Hi, happy?
This end of things. So then we could try once a week for a week or two, see how things are going. We may need to extend that, or let's say you start meeting again, we could try once a weekend. But basically,
Huh? Happy?
and then we decrease the frequency as we go better. Also,
Sorry?
Do you have it now or later?
Oh no, I'm just filming it.
Okay.
Thank you.
depending on activity level and the stress
Bobby?
of the body, it can turn into
Yan, ganito lang kami dito. Pag pumupunta kami, paikot-ikot lang siya.
but that's
I'm taking that at night and he runs around the reservoir. Just one stop.
Look at him.
Look at that.
What's that? Huh? Is that your chair?
Something that if it clashes with something that we're
Hypnotise.
call reschedule.
That's better than the other one.
That moves better.
That's why it's down here with me.
That monster.
Whoa!
Say thank you. Thank you.
Remember this?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Now the chair is where it's at.
Yeah. As it grows up, certain.
He
things
tried
don't
the other one. The other one doesn't do the same.
It sucks. Whoa!
How's that?
How are you?
Good, you know, I mean, I'm basically always the same. Well, you're not a good Instagram boyfriend.
You can laugh, but the amount of stuff we film that never turns up because we haven't actually turned it on.
Face down.
Yes, please.
Let's crack, Mum. You ready, Zachy? You gonna help? Yeah, that's it. Pull that
He
out.
remembers everything.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Nice.
Just wait until Mum's relaxed before you pull that all the way out. Okay. That's a boy. Uh-oh, he's off. He's off.
Drop your arms to the floor.
Another
Take a
Zachy.
big breath in and breathe out. Yeah, you feel gross, so tense. Here comes my assistant.
Yeah, help her.
Okay. Wanna switch me spots?
Really, Baba?
Not for real, bub.
It's funny just listening to him run around, like his little steps.
Yeah. The pitter patter of massive feet.
Relax your shoulder. Oh,
Wow, that was a clunk.
yeah.
Ah.
Wow. I think you probably did it.
Yay! Even Zachy heard that one. That was yay.
Good job.
Your legs are almost the same length now, love.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Wow. And they bend too now.
Face this side over here. If he ever discovers the push, then we're in trouble.
It's a pull knob.
All right, face up.
Oh, the sound effects are good.
Nice.
Can I have a look,
Don't
Zachy?
worry, I'll give it back.
See what Mum's doing? Ready? Go, Mum. You help Mummy? Push on her tummy or something? Tickle her feet? That's it. That's it. Help. You can help Mummy.
Nice,
Thanks,
perfect.
Yeah, perfect length now, aren't they? Hey, good job. Zachy's job is done.
Ooh, you're right. right side is.
Oh.
Yeah, everything was kind of pinched up through here.
Are they good, Zachy? Nice and level? That's good. Super
Well, he
helpful.
has like unlimited energy.
He went for an hour last night at about 9 o'clock at night. Just wouldn't stop.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Does that feel looser up in the back?
Yes. That's a really,
Maybe you should come back more often, love.
yeah.
Instead of once every 2 months.
She's a busy lady.
No, he is a busy. He's a busy man. I have to. Busy. It's Daddy's turn.
Hi, Zachy Zac. This will be easy. Daddy's all loose.
It's Daddy's turn now. You're such a busy bee.
There you go.
Yeah.
A water bottle.
Yeah. I put it down at eye level and just left it there. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Are you worried, Zaki? No?
Breathe in. Breathe out. All right, face the side here.
Oh, God. My arm's almost gone again.
What happened to your shoulder?
Which one?
There's
Oh, I
a
thought that was
yellow.
part of his shirt.
Is it?
What happened?
No, I don't think so, but
Oh, I didn't notice that earlier.
What is it?
I thought it
I'm
was
not
just
sure.
part of your shirt.
I reckon I put stuck on that.
No, it's like
Well,
a
see, it's like powder
powder.
because it's right here on the table.
Yeah.
It's like a powder.
Where did we go?
Maybe a flower? Did you bump into a flower?
It's like a sunflower, doesn't it?
Maybe.
Was it on the bus?
I'm not
Like a
sure.
lily?
No, not in the bus. On the bus.
When I'm pollinating.
Yes, you are.
Careful, everyone.
Breathe in, breathe out. Yeah, the water bottle's fun. Okay, face up.
Go, Zaki. This is my favorite.
Me too.
When everyone is so scared.
Are you gonna help too?
Hi.
Oopsie.
And check the feet, see if they're level.
Look at his feet.
They're definitely dirty because the shoes are dirty.
Nice, huh? Good, and you've been feeling pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, I mean, the last time you came in for adjustment was June.
Well, it was a bit messy then.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels pretty nice.
You keep on running, Baba.
I don't know what this is.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's maybe
It wasn't there
pollen or
earlier.
like cumin or something.
It smells like perfume to it. There might be pollen.
I don't know.
Maybe like a lily or
Yeah,
something.
something like
Those,
that that comes off easy.
Does anyone relax when you say relax when you're doing their neck?
you know, sometimes,
question.
or they like to point out I am relaxed, but I think it just takes a little. You have to use energy to listen,
Yeah.
and in that moment, it does. Or I'll tell people like, wiggle your toes on your left foot, and they go. They have to but in that moment, they completely relax because they're distracted.
Yeah.
Lower your shoulder works for me.
Yeah.
When you say relaxing,
Because a lot of people don't realize that
Yeah.
they're doing that. So I'm like, relax your shoulders. They're like,
but when I focus.
Habang naghahanap ako ng aking damit, si Zach nanggugulo kung saan. Ayun o. Jackie! Ayun. Naghahanap ako ng... Ayun na, ayun na. Hi! Dito kami sa Cotton On. Naghahanap ako ng maisusuot. Tapos ayun si Zach. Ang kulit. Hi! Dito na kami sa restaurant. Dito kami sa Sinhoy Side. try. Favorite restaurant namin to ni Matt. Masarap yung crab nila, pero kumakain lang kami ng crab kapag special occasion.
What is
The crabs.
the crab? Yeah. Bit,
Exactly.
bit costly for every day. Every second day.
Every second day. Medyo mahal kasi ang crab, sa totoo lang. Kaya pag special occasion lang.
Ring ring. Ring ring.
Ah, that is...
So, darling.
Baba!
Baba Zach.
Hi!
Zachary Macary. Can I have a little taste? Just make sure.
Sabi ko kay Matt, huwag siya kakain hanggang wala pa yung lahat na order.
You want a little taste?
No, thank you. You can eat. You can eat. You can eat. Yummy? Say hi.
It's good.
Especially when you're hungry.
Indonesian chicken.
Oh, there's uncle. There's other food.
That's all.
Yay. Hi,
you,
uncle.
Welcome. Steam rice or not?
Done there for you too.
Two steam rice, uncle.
Two steam rice, okay.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Wow.
Yum yum.
Yay! Si uncle yung may-ari ng lugar na to. Lagi kami nandito dati nung duty travel pa si Matt. Nung hindi pa kami nakatira sa Singapore kasi malapit lang yung hotel ni Matt. So, meron kami ditong salted
Salted egg prawn.
kangkong,
Sambal kangkong. With so
sambal
much
kangkong, and
Indonesian chicken.
Indonesian
You know what they
chicken.
call it that?
Why?
Chicken from Indonesia.
That's why it took them how long?
Takes an hour to get it. They have to import it from over the road there.
Medyo matagal. Masarap to. Favorite namin to ni Matt.
Thank you.
So may in-order pa kami. Mamaya na lang. Kakain muna kami. Ah!
Now we're just waiting for Singaporean stingray.
Kinukuha niya kasi yung kanin ko.
No. No squealy squeal.
Kinukuha niya yung kanin ko.
You want another drink, love?
Now,
I don't need another drink. I want another drink.
Zach, love. Ito pa yung isang in-order namin. Dumpling, steamed dumpling. And stingray. Thank you. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi ka ng hi. Hi ka ng hi.
Alright, all done now, love.
Yan na, lahat yung in-order namin. Dumpling, sambal stingray,
Salted egg prawn.
salted egg prawn, Indonesian chicken,
Indonesian chicken.
and
Sambal kangkong.
sambal kangkong. Puro sambal. At saka ito, si Zach. Sarap, kain tayo guys. Kain. Kain.
Sorry, I've got a Buddhist monk sitting next to me.
Say kain.
Karen?
Kain.
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 Pardon?
Kain.
Kain. Okay.
That's it.
Kain.
Pauwi na kami. Bumaba kami ng mas maaga kasi gusto namin magtatakbo pa si Zach para mapagod siya. Para hindi na siya mag-ingay sa bahay at matulog na lang pagtapos. Kaya maglalakad kami pauwi. Imbis na pagbaba namin, konting lakad na lang. Gusto rin naman kasi ito ni Zach yung naglalakad siya. Kahapon nga galing sila sa labas ng tatay niya eh. Isang oras silang naglalakad. Siguro mahigit isang oras yun. Happy? Happy? Look, look. Look at the feet. Can you see? Wala kasing ipe. Tinatanggal niya kasi. Mahangin. Kailangan lang mag-iingat sa pathway. Dito sa, nilalakaran namin. Kasi meron din ditong mga bikes. Kaya si Matt yung humahabol sa kanya. Kasi hindi ako attentive. Minsan nabubusinahan na ako bago pa ako tumabingi tuloy.
No walking, has to be running.
Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie.
He's got run over.
Only engagement.
Look at him. Stamp your feet. He just loves walking.
Loves it, absolutely loves it. Running and walking, loves it.
Ayun na nga. It's okay.
Careful. It's okay. Be careful. Show me your shoes. Are they on the floor? It's okay. Be careful. Just be careful.
Ayun na guys. Malapit na rin naman kami. Isasara ko na tong vlog na to. Where's dito ba ako? Ayan na. Thank you for watching again. Ay, doon siya. I don't know where am I going. Oh, there. May... Oopsie. That's dangerous. May bike kasi.
Don't.
We need to be on the left.
We don't have to do anything like we let them go around. There's more coming.
Ayun na nga, kaya ayaw namin pinaglalakad ng
Hopefully.
Kasi may mga bike. Itong way na to, hindi lang para sa
That's the bike.
tao. Ayan. So, magpapaalam na ako guys. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Thank you again for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in our next vlog. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Zaki. Is he doing that every time? Huh? Dad. There you go, Baba. Cross. Good job. Come on now. Good job. Run, Zaki, run. Are you getting tired?
No, he's not getting tired.
Nah, not tired. No more cat.
Go back to your mother.
Where is it?
In the garden.
Do you guys come here? Do you guys come here just to see the cat?
Yes, love.
You stop here?
Yes, love.
Huh. Where? I can't see the cat.
Hides in there. He's up the
Ah.
back there. Zachary scares him a bit.
The cat ran away when he saw
We do
Zaki.
this every night, Mama, when we're out.
Okay, time to go. Hi. What's that?
Reindeer.
Huh?
The reindeer. Reindeer.
How many reindeer? You count? 1, 1, 2, 3. Yay!
That doesn't work. The button's there.
Press the button. Press the button. Bye-bye. Come on. Makapalakpak. Hang on. Hang on. Move aside, please. Can you see? Okay, guys. This is a really goodbye. Good night. Say bye-bye.
So I needs to walk every night.
Bye-bye now.
This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love.